Think back to the days your skin felt alive, smooth, glowing, firm, effortlessly radiant. Now, you're still trying. Moisturizers, cleansers, serums stacked on your shelf. But when you remove your makeup, the mirror tells a different story. Tired, sagging, dull. It's like your skin aged overnight. What if the real reason your skin is aging isn't just getting older? What if it's missing something simple, something your skin once had in abundance, but no one's talking about it? In today's video, you'll discover one powerful natural oil dermatologist called the Botox of plant, and a forgotten mineral that holds the key to firmer, youthful-looking skin, naturally. If you're done chasing expensive skincare that disappoints, tap and like, hit subscribe, and join Repair Our Health for natural solutions that actually work. Understanding how our skin ages and finding the right solutions is crucial. Stay with us as we dive into the science behind skin aging and explore effective ways to combat it. As we age, collagen, the protein that keeps our skin firm and lifted, begins to decline rapidly. Elasticity fades, the skin gets thinner, and those once soft lines become deeper grooves. This isn't just about looking older, it's about your skin losing its structure. Most anti-aging creams promise miracles, but look closer. They're packed with fillers, synthetic fragrance, and water. Very few products contain what your skin actually needs to repair itself. Rosehip seed oil, a golden oil extracted from wild rose bushes. Loaded with vitamin A, vitamin C, and essential fatty acids, it's known as the Botox of natural oils for its ability to fade wrinkles and regenerate tired skin. Rosehip oil stimulates collagen production, smooths texture, fades pigmentation, and tightens pores. It restores what age and stress have taken, without the sting of synthetic retinol. Just apply 2 to 3 drops at night on clean, slightly damp skin. Pat it in gently, don't rub. Let it work overnight as your skin regenerates in peace. Rosehip repairs the surface, but what about the scaffolding beneath your skin? That's where one forgotten mineral comes in. MSM, or methylsulfonylmethane, is a form of organic sulfur found in every cell of your body. It's crucial for collagen production, tissue repair, and maintaining skin structure, yet most of us don't get enough. MSM acts like a connector, strengthening bonds between skin cells, improving elasticity, tightening loose skin, and restoring that youthful firmness from within. You can get MSM as a supplement or apply it topically through MSM-rich creams. Either way, it works fast and visibly, especially when paired with the right oils. Now, combining ingredients for optimal results is key. When MSM is paired with the right oils and other nutrients, the benefits are truly maximized. It's all about finding the right balance and synergy between these powerful components. By doing so, you can achieve a more radiant, youthful complexion. Rosehip smooths the top layer, MSM strengthens the bottom. Together, they create a firming effect that most creams can't even come close to. Focus on your jawline, neck, under eyes. These are the first zones to show signs of aging, and the first to bounce back when you nourish them right. Give your skin 3 to 6 weeks, you'll begin to see a real difference. More lift, fewer lines, and a softness you thought was gone. Want to support your skin from the inside out? Add sulfur-rich foods like broccoli, onions, and garlic, nature's collagen boosters. Make your own firming serum. 1 tablespoon rosehip oil plus a small pinch of MSM powder. Shake well, use nightly, your skin will thank you. Want to take your results even further? Add 1 more ancient oil that brings healing, firming, and regeneration together in 1 drop. Tamanu oil, also called green gold of the Pacific, is rich in caliphyllic acid and powerful antioxidants. It helps fade fine lines, lift sagging skin, and repair sun damage fast. It works especially well on mature or damaged skin. Tamanu encourages skin cell turnover, fights inflammation, and deeply nourishes delicate zones like the neck and under eyes. The ultimate skincare trio, these amazing ingredients. Rosehip smooths and builds, Tamanu firms and heals, MSM lifts and strengthens. This trio? It's your natural facelift. No needles, no drama. Use this combo daily, morning or night, especially on the forehead, jaw, neck, and décolleté. These areas age fastest and respond beautifully. You'll feel the change before you see it. Plumper texture, smoother bounce, a kind of grip that holds everything together again. Week by week, the lines fade, skin tone evens, confidence returns. It's not just your skin improving, it's how you feel about your reflection. People who've used this trio call it life-changing. My confidence is back. The best thing I ever did for my skin. You won't find this combo in stores. Why? Because nature can't be patented, and big beauty can't profit from simple truths. Have you tried any of these? What helped your aging skin? Let us know in the comments. We love hearing your story. This video is for educational purposes only. Always do a patch test and speak with a skincare professional if needed. Ready for more skin healing secrets? Subscribe to repair our health and check out our next video on the 5 oils that erase wrinkles fast. Turn back time naturally.